Hello guys, how do we do this retro look? Let's start from the beginning. Get the type tool and write retro. Enlarge it and then go to align and align it in the middle. Then go to window appearance and here we will work. First remove the fill and add 3 strokes. And there's a fill you can see here. Add one more fill and put them next to each other and put 1 stroke underneath them. Okay, the color of the first fill, put it white, and the second one, go to the library, go to patterns, basic graphics, basic graphic lines, and put it on maybe this one or this one. Okay, so the first stroke, put it on white and put it 10 points. The second one, put it on beige and put it 10 points and add a new effect, distort and transform, and put the move to 1 horizontal, 1 vertical pixels and 35 copies, and that's how it will look. Okay, then the black last stroke, put it on 10 points and go to FX, distort and transform, put the move again to 1 and 1 and put, instead of 35, double it by 2, it will be 70 copies and preview. Okay, then go to its opacity and put it on 50% and we're done.